Hi friends, welcome to Mathstoon. Today we will learn to solve dy dx is equal to cos x. If you want to learn more about calculus, please visit mathstoon.com. Now let's start. This is our given differential equation. Rewriting this, we get dy is equal to cos x dx. Integrating this, we get integration dy is equal to integration cos x dx. As integration of dy is equal to y and integration cos x dx is equal to sin x, so we get y is equal to sin x plus c. Here c is an integration constant. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment in the comment box. Do not forget to subscribe this channel.